Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and as usual I'm back in the greenhouse. And in this quick episode I'm just going to show you how to transplant some of your seedlings. So we've sown some a while ago, they've all been growing on nicely in the extension, and now it's time to pop them on and we can leave them in the greenhouse so they can grow on nicely before we put them in their final positions, either in the garden, baskets or even pots. So as always, enjoy. So we're going to pot up some pom-pom dahlias, some marigolds, and we'll pot up a few of the zinnias that have come through, but we need to sow some more because we only had a few that came up out of that packet of seed for some reason. But we're going to pot these on now. You know it's time to pot them on when you see their true leaves. So each plant has a seed leaf. That's enough to get the roots established. Once the roots are established, you then get these true leaves, which is the variety of the plant. So these are ready to be potted on. So let's get potting on, shall we? Let's fill the trays up. Going quite big with these. This 24 cell tray. Giving plenty of room to establish. So we'll do the marigolds first. So we've got 5, 10, 15, about 19 of them, I think. I'll fill the tray up. So some people use a dibber to get their plants out. I'm just using an old pencil, but anything like that will do. So to I'll move these over here, I should hopefully be able to see. So I've got the plants here, so we'll take this first one out here. So grab it by its seed leaf and then just ease it out, trying to make sure you don't damage any of the root. And then make a hole and then just pop him in. There you go. And just keep going along with the process. So grab it by the seed leaf, try and get as much root as you can. Just ease it up. Nice big hole, and then just pop him in. And this has been potted on into multi-purpose compost. A late start of that one, but I'm sure it'll catch up. I think there's a couple more in here that I'll pot on as well. And I'll leave the other cells empty. And we've grown some more. There you go. So the marigolds potted on. I can re-water that and sow some more seed if you wish to. There you go, some marigolds all potted on. Just need the water. We'll give them a water and then we'll plant up some more. So now a fresh seed tray again. 7 zinnia in there, so we're going to get those in here as well. Again, I'll sow some more seed. Some of them just didn't germinate. Not sure why. Could be the seed, could be the conditions. But the process is exactly the same. Make your hole and just pop them on. Nice healthy roots on that one. So now we're going to pot up the pom-pom dahlias into here. One thing I will do though before we crack on with that is I want to write some labels. So we've got marigolds. Oh, pencil nugget. And we've got zinnia. I can just stick in the in the plants. Just so you know what they are. Right, and then let's pot up some dahlias then. Next we're going to pass on these. So these are cosmos. We've got the white ones on the left and the red ones on the right. So we'll let's pop some of these on. And if you think these are looking particularly stringy, cosmos are very stringy. They're a very tall, feathery plant. Not sure if that one's going to survive. I think we might have broke the root on that, we'll see. on some pom-pom dahlias, some zinnia, 2 varieties of cosmos. We've got the white and down here's the red. Marigolds have been potted on. Potted on 3 courgettes. Those will be ready soon, and I've sown some more seeds. So we've got some more cosmos, dahlias, marigolds, and I've also sown some peas, some garden peas in the planter. If I just spin round in that planter there, so I've sown some peas as well. And the fuchsias are looking good, potted on, they're looking healthy. They'll be ready for their final place soon. And the willow tree cuttings, out of the 8 we've got there, we've got 4 that have survived. But we'll leave the other ones in just in case they come back. But all in all, a good day. Just quickly whiz out of the greenhouse. I've also cut the grass, as you can see, and just edged the planter and the borders. Just makes it look nice and neat and tidy. So all in all, productive day.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.